If you've been scrolling through TikTok or Instagram lately, chances are you've seen the viral Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot Glow being hyped as a miracle in a bottle that can shrink pores by 85% after just one use, wipe out 90% of whiteheads within 2 weeks, and leave your skin with an instant glow that looks straight out of a filter. But before you rush to buy it, let's actually talk about what's going on here, because skincare is rarely that magical. The so-called peeling effect that looks super dramatic in ads is actually not your dead skin being removed. It's mostly the product clumping up, which is a common trick in a lot of exfoliating ampules. The formula itself contains popular actives like AHAs, BHAs, niacinamide, and rice water, ingredients that do have proven benefits for exfoliation, oil control, and brightening. But the way they're marketed here is exaggerated and misleading. Some users online report a mild exfoliation effect and slightly smoother skin after regular use, but there are just as many reviews mentioning irritation, redness, and even burning sensations, especially for people with sensitive skin. Another red flag is the way this product is pushed with fake influencer reviews, suspicious Reddit-style chat screenshots, and overly polished TikTok promos that all seem copy-pasted. Digging deeper, this isn't a luxury serum at all. It's a generic Chinese exfoliant that retails for around $5, but is being marked up to $25 or more with heavy marketing spin. Does it completely fail? Not really. It can work as a basic exfoliant if your skin tolerates acids, but it's far from the miracle it claims to be, and you should definitely patch test before trying. If you still want to give it a shot despite the mixed feedback, the product is tagged in this video, so you can check it out for yourself and make an informed decision.